In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TC2000 Cloud. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and looking at the same powerful tools you're used to on the desktop, right in your browser. Start by opening a modern web browser. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge all work great for this. Make sure your browser is up to date for the best performance and security, and try to use a stable internet connection so charts and data load smoothly. Next, navigate to the TC2000 web platform. You can go directly to webplatform.tc2000.com or head to tc2000.com and choose Run Web Platform from the site. Both routes take you to the same cloud-based experience. This runs entirely in your browser, so there's nothing to install. It's a good idea to bookmark the page so you can return quickly in the future, and always double-check the address to ensure you're on the official site. When the sign-in screen appears, enter your TC2000 email or username and your password. Keep your credentials secure, avoid logging in on shared or public computers when possible, and don't save passwords on devices you don't control. If you're on a shared machine, plan to sign out at the end of your session. After you sign in, you'll land in the main TC2000 workspace. Here, you'll see familiar components: charts for visualizing price action, watch lists for tracking symbols, scans to help you filter the market based on criteria you care about, and alerts for getting notified about important moves. If you've used the desktop app, the layout will feel very similar, which makes transitioning effortless. Your tools are organized to keep you efficient. Charts typically occupy the main area, while watch lists and scans sit in panels you can view at a glance. Alerts are ready to help you stay on top of opportunities without constant monitoring. Because this is the cloud version, it's designed to be accessible from nearly any device with a browser. It's responsive, fast, and ideal when you're away from your desktop but still want your TC2000 environment. If anything seems slow to load, try refreshing the page or closing extra tabs. And if you run into a blank screen, checking for ad blockers or strict privacy extensions can sometimes resolve display issues. That's all there is to getting started. Open your browser, go to the TC2000 web platform, sign in, and you'll be right inside with charts, watch lists, scans, alerts, and more, just like the desktop app, without the installation. In future videos, we'll explore customizing layouts, managing watch lists, and creating alerts to match your trading workflow.